Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you what we have done with this old snowblower. Rebuilt it basically. We rebuilt this auger by keeping the old flightings here and putting this pipe in. The original pipe diameter, outside diameter, was 3.5 inches, and this new one is 4.5 inches. I guess I should have showed the step-by-step process on this when we were building it, but of course forgot. But I can kind of tell you. We kept these ends here. We cut them off about this far here of the old pipe, and then we put them inside the new pipe and then welded the ends. I turned the outside diameter of the old pipe slightly with the lathe so they would fit snugly, and they're a good snug fit. This is like I said, 4-inch heavy wall pipe, so it's like 1/4 inch thick, and it turned out really well. The auger itself is really true. The previous auger before, or the pipe before, was completely bent. This is the old flighting of the old auger, and you can see that it's pretty bent still. But the other one was bent in 2 different spots, and it was almost impossible to straighten. And the other thing that we fixed on this blower was the fins on the fan. I don't know if you can see the fan, but yeah, we put new fins in there using 5/8 thick channel iron stuff right here. Thick stuff. The old flightings were, or not the old flighting, but the old fins, they were completely rounded off, and it was not throwing snow very well anymore. We rebuilt this blower probably about 10 years ago. Did the sides, and they've stood up really well. And we did paint it actually. It was nice and blue again. This is a Lucknow blower, but as you can see, it's showing its rust again. And it's getting pretty close to snow season, so I don't think we'll be painting it this year unless we get some more decent weather. But the previous repair, we actually took the old cable style hydraulic cylinder chute rotating mechanism off of there, and we put an orbitable motor on there with a chain and sprocket. This chute will go 360 degrees, so when you're removing snow you really have to watch. But we have it geared really slow, and the hydraulic speed set to really low flow, so it's pretty easy to keep an eye on. But mind you, when I've ran it, I have blown snow on the cab before. Works really well, not any problems with it before. With the old cable style, we were constantly having hood freeze ups and pins shearing, and that was miserable when you're out removing snow and having to replace them in basically blizzards. Yeah, so yeah, too bad I didn't show you a step-by-step process on rebuilding this blower. Would have been nice, but like I said, I forgot. But this is what the finished product is. Oh, also another note, in the fan we added these set screws. I don't know if anybody else owns a Lucknow blower, but the biggest problem with these is they use that 5/8 bolt on the end of the gearbox shaft, and it forever comes loose. It doesn't matter if you use Loctite or whatever, it just comes loose. So we added a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 set screw to keep that tight. The 3/8 is right on the keyway, and it couldn't have been put in the center there because there is a cross member in the way for drilling, and the 1/2 inch is directly on the shaft. So hoping that keeps everything nice and snug. Yeah, so I think that's it on the rebuild here. I hope you liked the video. Have a great day.